Hello. So now we're going to be going over Little River in the second edition level 1 Faber book. We're going to play this in the C position, but it's recommended you try it in both the C position and a G position. Again, this is familiar information if you've been through the purple primer book that comes before this. Legato is a very common way of playing in piano. It's almost a default way. We play a note, and then we don't let go of that note until we press the next note. And this gives the illusion of a connectedness to the notes. Now, there's actually a break. As this note lifts, it stops, and this note then starts out of silence. So they're not truly connected as they would be, say, on a violin. You could slur the notes from one to the other by sliding your finger, and there would be no break in sound. But this has a pretty close effect and a noticeable effect. This is one of the first articulations that you learn, a technique of how to play the notes, not including dynamics. We also play phrases legato and then stop our legato to mark the end of a phrase, but that's getting way ahead. So here's Little River, and throughout the slur mark, that curved line, I'm going to be playing my legato technique. They've also given me a rest, and they want me to float my wrist off the piano to start the next part. So here we go. If you're not sure what the difference is between regular playing and legato playing, let me play the first part without legato. You can hear that clearly the notes are disconnected with silence in between. All right, have fun.